Hiya folks, well I wanted to do a little bit in the garden today, but I think it's been called off due to bad weather. It's absolutely doing it down. So I decided to make one of these, a Harp rack. I sort of tried to work out a bit of a design so that it's fully adjustable, so I can get height and distance and that. And this is just a prototype, but it works. And if anybody wants a planner of this, I'll make a when I find some materials, I might go and buy some materials and see what I can make it out of. But if anybody wants a plan, I'll do a plan, a drawing with sizes, basic sizes. I mean, you can see, look, there you go. Thumb screw here, thumb screw there. Tighten it up, moves about, a bit of string round the back for your neck. Sorted. Do you need a plan? But if you do, I'll do one. But I really thought I'd like to be able to try and play the guitar and the harmonica together, because I'm still only trying. But I don't like making noise. It works. It's not bad. It's easy to take on and off. So now I would have been playing or trying to play the guitar with that, but the guitar's a G and that's a A. I need a C harmonica. I have got one, but it's all blocked up. I'm going to take it apart. I think it's blocked up with spit from one of my children. Nice. But as I said, if anybody wants a plan of that, I'll be willing to put that up. So free, obviously. Nice to be nice.